It don't happen. It don't happen. When Pelego, it don't happen. It don't happen. It don't happen. When Pelego, it don't happen. It don't happen.
Now, welcome, oh, my people. We don't come again like we used to come. This is another episode of your favorite program, It Dey Happen. For this, our Boge Vineyard Television 15.8. Una well done. No. Thank you for being there for us. And if you know day, how we go there, and the thing we dey do, we go watch out. We appreciate you every time. Make una call everybody, say this program don't start again. We don't bring her come, you don't want again. Make we go and watch am as it dey happen for here and for everywhere for this world. Now we bring this one with day. This time around, and before we start am, make I bring my sister inside. My sister.
You know our people.
Oh.
My name na Joxibio. It dey happen though.
Oh, my sister.
My people, una well done, no. My name na Chioma Okoripe. I don't tanda for yonder.
I trust you. Say you don't tanda. My own name na Omapolaji. I don't come now. Thank God for everything wey dey happen for our yonder here, and for the people wey dey our country and for our side. Now we say make we use this episode make we come talk about this our people wey dey go war front, wey dey go everywhere to make peace, wey we people dey call servicemen. Inside servicemen una get army, una get navy, we get police, we get this and this, and na so we get am. Say everybody wey dey service, wey dey put on uniform to keep peace, to make sure say war not come inside, and to go face this war. Now we say make we recognize them. I be my sister.
Na so. Our veteran, we don't come. We say make we greet una. We don't come on cap full now. Una dey try well. We won't use this time. Make we say una dialogue. All the good things wey una don't do for this country. We dey respect una. We dey say una well done.
I be
Our
princess.
people. We na well done. No. Me too. I don't bow for you because all the things wey you don dey do. Now only you fit do am. Not be everybody fit do that one. We say we recognize you for it dey happen.
And we say we throw away salo, and we recognize you people. Say God go begin to protect you. As you dey go, una no go lose your life for nothing. Because a lot of them, as they defend all these people wey dey our country and for everywhere in the world, I pray say as your compensation go dey come, then go dey recognize your effort. God go dey crown your effort, and everything wey you dey do, it go dey prosper. Oh, now I say make I bring, say make we recognize our servicemen. Say una dalu.
Even the one when we dey talk, as it dey happen, as we don't gather, the thing just dey happen. Now our children, marriage, now we won't talk about. As we dey gather together, we can't gather for African events. We can't gather for village meeting. Now you go carry your pikin enter yonder. You go tell your pikin say everybody wey dey inside house na auntie, everybody wey dey inside house na uncle. How you want contact direct your pikin wey don reach level wey you go reach to marry? Make you come dey put eye, come know who you wan marry. When you don already tell the pikin say na im auntie, or when you don already tell the pikin say na im cousin. That thing come make our pikin they know they come dey look eye inside yonder. If they wan marry, na their eye go come dey go for outside yonder. E no good na, my people. Make we look into that, my people. And people like you.
Na true you talk, princess.
You know, say our people now, because they don't know which one be cousin, which one be uncle, which one be auntie. They go dey fear say make I no taboo for our place. If you go marry your family, they go dey fear say my mommy don't say na my auntie be that you. That everybody na auntie. When they say everybody na auntie, so they go they fear say no, all these black people na my auntie. So maybe that's why they go white marry white people because they no wan do mistake go marry the one wey be family. But if we dey sit them down, they tell them say this one o I no be na I dey call am auntie o. Na just this one be na Nigeria auntie o because we come from the same place o we no be family o. As you don take style explain everything now, so dem go fit dey relate to each other, talk to each other. They wan dey date each other now, dem go fit go for each other. Dem go dey scare say na white I go marry because this one na my auntie, this one na my uncle. Make I not do mistake go marry my family.
Thank you, Princess. Chioma, I dey for one place one day and I hear one small guy. No be say e small like that. He don dey mature, ready to say make he get one wey he go dey say hello, how are you? Now I hear that boy dey talk am for my ear say everybody wey come from in mama country na relative. If you see this one, this is your mommy. It's your mommy. You have to respect her as your mommy. So all the siblings wey come from that mommy na in relative now. And now we dey tell these children say na taboo to marry your sister, na taboo to marry your cousin, na taboo to marry your uncle or brother. But we no dey let them know say if to say you wan pick, you can pick from these people pikin wey dey good, and dem go know say okay, when you say my sister, no be say I no fit marry pikin. And now they make most of our children they say if I no go fit pick from my people, make I go for white. No be so. There will always be choice now.
Even Bolaji, this topic wey we dey talk, our people. You dey go party, you dey go village meeting, you leave pikin for house. Why you go leave am for house? Carry am comot, make you meet him people. As una enter, make you tell am say, this person na from Abeokuta, me am from Ijebu. We no dey marry each other, so make you dey shine your eye. Na im daughter be this, na im son be this, so that our children go dey know where dem comot from. No be say dem no go respect the other person, but make you teach them say if marriage come, say they go fit marry this person or marry the other person, so that our children no go dey go far. They go far too much. You go come go far, you go come dey look for your pikin, you no go see your pikin again. You go come enter inside drum.
Abi Princess.
Na so our people, because we no want our children make them go out of our sight. Because if they go marry for far away place now, we go dey say they no call us. How they go call us now? Because he go dey busy with the family where he dey. But if he marry very close to you now, you go fit say make I go check. I no see this person. I don't know wetin dey happen. Make I go check am. But na our job to please explain to our children say this one na for Abeokuta, this one na for Ijebu, this one na for this side you fit, but not be say you no fit marry this person if na your choice. But this one, most of us will be family for this compound. No, this compound and this compound we not marry each other. We be family. Not be say when it come happen, you go come dey blame your children say na taboo. You can't go marry for no. They will come born one. You go come disagree. Say no. They go this marriage not go work again. But we have to take time to explain to them. Let's explain to them. That's the work of parents. Say this is where you go. This one, no, I not say make you not marry white, but if you marry white, if na your choice, go for white. But make sure say you tell them say this one na your cousin.
Because inside family, we get beautiful girls. We get handsome young men. Wey don ripe finish. The thing na to just join them together, and they go dey look and say this one I no fit talk to am. Na my cousin. No be your cousin. Go meet mama, tell your mama make he explain to you, because that girl wey you dey see no be your cousin. Na your Nigerian cousin na she be. We wan make una dey come home, my children.
And the thing wey I dey talk to support this thing be say small time na you go say the wife wey your where your boy bring come home, he no understand you. He no come hear the thing where you dey talk. The time where this guy did the time where you supposed to direct him to let her know, say if he marry from this, if he get good ladies from this one, you no tell her.
No tell her.
Small time, you no go take am go occasion. Make him meet beautiful ladies wey come from your side. Even if he come from the eastern side, if not for western side, if not for northern side, but he still come from your domain.
When you go your pikin house, you go dey shout, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. The wife go say, what is wrong with her?
You see?
You know, not be the girl cause the problem, that you cause am because you don't tell your pikin well.
Thank you. Now they talk. So if you no take your children go where occasion they dey na park ni maybe your own society or your own association, they do this we call it this picnic. Take your children with you. Let them mix with other people. We come from your side too. We don't want these children make the pikin go away. We still need to go back home. Home na home, and it is different from abroad. Everybody for them to be for abroad or to be for home. Now you go make them from the beginning. Oh, be my sister.
That's so.
You get some of our people where we come from north. You know, say those people they marry family. Now family said they think say if you marry your family, you go there close.
You go there within the same circle.
In the same circle, and you go there close. Not be say they go they beat you, they go they abuse you for the marriage because no say na in blood. No say those people there. We say na God na not be outside they call them those people from north. So if you know say for your place where they dey, your sister fit marry cousin. This one just explain to them so they don't go scare. They go not say this is our own
if na your neighbor, tell your pikin say na your neighbor.
Na your neighbor.
If na your co-worker, tell your pikin say na your co-worker. If na your country person, tell your pikin say na your country person. Nothing dey bad inside. But tell her say even though say we dey call auntie, they call uncle, but still the children wey this woman born, you go fit look inside, make you pick the one wey you like. So that our own thing go just dey within. Make we fit each hand dey
our children now, all these small children wey we dey born now, their eyes don open. E get one wey they bury the grandmother. They come say, come greet your auntie. Say, how many auntie I get now? This one na my auntie. You say this one na auntie. This one, pikin go talk. They go talk.
I know.
Because they know say everybody by my auntie.
So make we tell them and let them know auntie. Let them know uncle. And let them know say these people where you dey use auntie to say to introduce them. You know mean say you no fit see for inside. Open eye and see if you see anyone where you like. And at the same time, we are not using this forum to tell you people say you no fit marry from another place or from another country or you no fit marry for the person where you love. But we just tell you say as people introduce and as the parents they let you know, say you fit look inward too and see the person where you love. No be every auntie or every mommy you see that relate to your mama. Abi Chioma.
We don't talk our own. Please, we don't talk our own. Make we just take side. They tell our people do this. Now your cousin be this now. Make we they do introduction very well. We they come back. We go see you.
Well done, my people. We don't come back again for our street. Now we don't return. As we return, we carry plenty obongo topic, carry full body. Sit down, make we and una eat together for one table. Make we tear and pieces. Make we look into the topic. The topic where we carry enter today, my people. Now hunger. This word where they call hunger. It dey hammer people. mostly for the home where we live for Nigeria, our obodo Nigeria where we live come America. Our mama and our papa they suffer well. Those people they suffer. Sometimes we go waka as soon as we don't cross airport enter bam, we don't off our phone. We know they feel they know say that mama, that papa where you live for village, you're supposed to they give them money, make they chop benekete, chop food every day. Make you they think about your mama and papa because hunger too much and people like
Hey, my sister, not true you talk. A lot of people say now their parents now ain't go look for money to buy ticket to send them come abroad. Now he go look for even go borrow self with interest. Say as soon as he get there, where he work small, he go dey to wait for house. Make I tell you, hunger dey that side well. I'm telling you. Some people no be say hunger dey for they no work yo. Some people they work, no salary.
they don't pay them.
People they owe people 11 months salary, 12 months salary.
Some people
Princess,
say
if person no take money, if you no take salary for 12 months, how you go balance?
go take it. Some people say they go cut their kelly. Their kelly na potato. They go eat potato 6 months. Because no money, no even money to pay house rent, no money to even go village.
Some people say when they carry all these petty things, they sell them for roadside. Council don't carry their market promote. Any small kiosk where you say make you construct like this, then go begin holler you. This one go come, he go say it be last man. This one go come, he go say it be wole. He go say it be inspector. He go say this one. He go now so money no dey there, but you wait there here where God bless you. Make you remember them for your now. Remember, say if you send any small thing to them over there, then go send prayer, come meet you. Abi princess.
Our people not good though. Immediately our people don't come here, they don't forget their family. You get one lady where they say they look for your father. You get one time when the lady say they look for your father. You say if the father don't leave this small girl since they small. And the girl don't marry now. He not even see him father. He say, no, be say I dey beg you say make you come give me money. But you know good, my in-law, they ask me, say, shey you no get father? And the father dey abroad like this. Now every year they change his phone, no? Because he no wan make the daughter talk to am. Why would they do like that?
You know good, my people. Even for Nigeria, now as it dey happen, na so we dey talk am. As it dey comot for street, na so we dey carry am like this. Dey talk am. Na make we dey bring to na say it dey happen. This thing wey we dey talk be say graduates now, na keke na pepe, na dem dey try.
If you get keke na pepe sef,
keke na pepe, na
make you
higher
thank
purchase.
God.
Na higher purchase.
I say make you thank
Because
God
you
sef.
go drive the keke na pepe, say you go complete money for the person wey buy and give am before you go dey push it for your own pocket. You go see people, they go dey like 3, they go dey for one room. No lights, no anything. Heat dey kill people. Hunger dey wire people. People dey even dey near gutter dey chop, dey put for mouth. Abi na wetin dey happen. So wetin we come bring come yonder now be say our people wey dey obodo America, if your person dey for Nigeria, abeg make you dey see even na $50. Make you dey give am, make you dey put garri for water dey make your person no come die. When your person go die, na you go come carry poster. You go say my mama don die yesterday that your mama wey die yesterday when e dey call you since last week, you been pick your call carry am go hospital. Our people you no good o, hunger too much for Nigeria.
Thank you, my sister. Even self no be say whether e go say make dem come begin dey print poster. He go ask them, say, make them tell them, make they give an estimate for the burial. How much coffin go cost? How much this one go cost? Let me tell musician, the highest, the reigning musician, now he go call. Now he go begin tell them, say, make them come construct the coffin, make them put on like pot. When I see coffin where they make with pot, like pot, I see the one where they make like a jeep. Wey they make coffee like
like
that, and the mama, and the mama they call for the past 6 months. That mama they call you. Small time you go say they tell her for church say mama na winch.
Na wish.
The witch wey no kill you before you travel go abroad. You dey make dollar now.
Your mama na winch. You carry you for belle 9 months. Kill you that time.
No kill you that time.
Go come kill you now.
Even the one where they break it, the one where they break it, they happen. Say you go come obodo America. You go be medical doctor. You go be RN. You go be a pharmacist. For this obodo America, you no go help your siblings. You no go help your mama and papa. Make I tell you, even if you get money for this America, your siblings they borrow money, your mama and papa they borrow money. You never get shishi. You never get anything.
Thank you.
If you get money, you supposed show for your siblings body. You show for your family body. Say money don't enter the family. You go get money, you go now come they behave like American. You don't want to talk to anybody because you don't get money. You want to sit on top of money, make you put leg on top of people, make you kill them.
Sure.
See, Chioma, one program where I listen to where they watch like this. When they carry the man come, the man won't do surgery. The man say he get 2 children for abroad. Now this man go, they say they go borrow money. He say he go borrow money for cooperative to send these children for abroad. I said they don't dey abroad now. They don't even remember the man. So they come, they ask the man to talk. Say make they mention those children. He said if he call them, they'll go pick call again. And they don't make them. He said they don't make money for this America. People won't know, they say they really get money. Why they go do like that? If this man can't die now, people come they show that man say, see your papa, your papa sick now, they won't do operation. Other people come they contribute for the man. And in children they for America. They ride good car. They live for good house. And they just neglect that man.
Even to get the full pay for the surgery, the family no get. No, make them bring am for social media.
For social media, they beg for money.
Yeah, they bring your papa for social media.
Come they beg money for him.
To get money for surgery, and you dey here. They ride jeep. They pay mortgage for 7 bedroom. You your pikin don dey ride good car.
They use Ama jeep.
And your father. Then they put your father for social media to raise money for surgery.
You know good, my people.
No,
I know we know they talk for it they happen. Say make you go kill yourself, make you bring money. Wetin we dey talk be say even if na $800 na you dey make a loan, make you for comot pinch $50 give them, make they for buy garri. Because to buy garri na e hard. Everything just dey hard for Nigeria. People no even fit buy rice. People no fit buy tomato, not even ororo. Make you pinch small money, make people know say this woman this man this auntie he get person for abroad. His skin dey okay, at least they drink better water. Make you no just off your phone because hunger don too much. E dey harm our people. Na dey cause kidnap. Make pikin dey, you no see work, you no see money, hunger dey wire am. You no get option, now you go dey kidnap. And we wey dey here, make we help our people. Make we try our best anyhow. That money wey we go take go dey collect extra, collect jeep here, collect 4 bedroom, collect this. Make we just program ourselves. Now we dey talk so.
Even the small money wey you get, wey you send to them, if they say they wan use that money to do any bad thing to you, your God will defend you. Because now from your plain heart, now you take send the money to them, make hunger no kill them. So that they no go die for hungry. Now make you send them.
You no go do America, your mama go dey borrow money.
And you go there here, any musician will come here, now you then go first recognize for circle. If you enter any joint, now you the share. And your mama, your papa, your brother, your sister, they that dobodo where you come from, they suffer. Now then they till ground, nothing come out of it. Because government don't take care of every land where they there. They don't come out from everybody. They say that government get land, no be Lord again. No be so. Some people they work no salary. And everything will come na so hungry. If you hungry, you think say person wey hungry no dey commit suicide. They say if man no get kobo for a pocket, he fit commit suicide. Because
yeah.
everybody want make money there in pocket. If God give you make una give and these people where you go give, by the time you go back home now, them still be your relative.
Your relative, family na family.
Family na family.
Even if anyhow, make you even when you get that money, make you know because say you get money, you won't kill people. You won't stand on top of the money. Go they give out tomato. Go tell this person no cross here, no come here, no move here because you get money. Remember, say you know be God.
My people, now the thing where we bring come be that. Make we remind you, say if you dare anywhere away, it remains small after your own. Think of somebody else where no even get at all. When you pity people, God will pity you. When you do favor to people, God will favor you. And for people where they your own koro area, where be your sibling or where be the people where you come from, try to away small for their side too. Make your own day better. Make God bless you too. And as you they do that one, God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
You they get more. And by the grace of God, hunger no go kill them. Now we tell you people, say as it they happen here, now so it they happen everywhere. And I make this program where be say it they happen. Oh.
Yeah. It don't happen. It don't happen. Where it go? It don't happen. It don't happen. Oh no, I came to party. Everybody just looking at me. Chicks just they surround me. The one and only girl but deep beside me. She's like señorita. Her body bouncing like mamacita. Shake your body, put it on me. Go to your mama, this is for real. She says she want it. I know she likes it. Some people say she know they like to move her waist. She know be ashy. So let's get naughty. Mr. DJ, hit the music. See some people want to party, oh no.